What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another little exciting mod installation. Just got off work. We got a little bit of sunlight left. We're gonna jack the car up and see if we can get it done. Let's go. All right, guys, so after closer inspection, I don't think we're gonna have to jack the car up. But if you are curious to what we are installing today, check this out. We got from Import Image Racing, we have the Noble axle back. No muffler, muffler delete. Got the burnt polished tips. I guess not polished, burnt tips. First time ever installing an axle back or an exhaust in general. So I'm gonna walk you through it, and we're gonna do this together, just like the last one. Let's go. All right, so first things first, you're gonna wanna take the old exhaust off, right? To do that, you're gonna have to take, there's a bolt here and a bolt on the exact other side. You're gonna have to take these off, and then there is exhaust hangers right up in there. Focus. Right up in there. So you gotta take those bolts off and then remove the hangers, and pretty much the axle back part just falls out. So we're gonna do that, and then we're going to start installing the new one. All right, so we got the bolts off for the rest of the cat back under there. Now we just got an exhaust hanger here, and see, can you see it up in there? An exhaust hanger over there. Now, this is seeming to be the tricky part. I know they make exhaust hanger like remover tools. I don't have one. I also read a bunch of stuff about using like WD-40 to lube the little rubber grommets right here, the hanger itself, lubing those so it's easier to, like, you know, tug this out. I don't have any WD-40, so we're just kind of trying to manhandle it right now. I want to try for a little bit longer to just yank on it till it comes off. If I can't, I might be running to auto. Update for you. Just so you guys know, manhandling it worked. Wham! Look at that. Who says brute force can't achieve stuff? Who said that? Because I don't believe them. They're liars. All right, we're going to officially unbox the new axle back. We're going to compare, show it to you guys, and then we're going to put it on, which is the exciting part. All right, check it out. This is the old mufflers, the old axle back. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you sure? This is the new shiny one. I'm not going to take all the bubble wrap off the tips because I'm going to leave it on while I install it so I don't screw anything up. Nice welds. Doesn't look too bad. I like the nice burnt tip. I went back and forth on whether or not I wanted burnt tips or like polished on the axle back, and figured why not. You know, a lot of people don't like them, but I think they're cool. Hopefully they stay cool to me. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the bubble wrap on, like I said, so we don't scratch anything up. And hopefully it goes on as well as that one came off. We'll see. Also, just giving you guys a heads up, in case you don't like completely open the box, or you just take the axle back out and, you know, toss the box to the side. They send you new bolts and gaskets. So if you order this exhaust, again, I got it from Noble, or Import Image Racing, and it's a Noble performance brand. If you order this from him, order this one specifically, make sure you stay on the lookout for those. Don't throw them away. Don't throw them away on accident. All right, guys, semi-pro tip coming in hot right now. Okay, if you are underprepared like I was for this, okay, for the hangers, see that little gabagoo right there? I used some Fast Orange hand cleaner. All right, so you might not have Fast Orange hand cleaner. but I am sure that your mom or your girlfriend or wife, or hey, maybe you, I don't judge, has some hand lotion or conditioner for your hair, maybe even shampoo. But semi-pro tip, make sure you lube those up. You go on a heck of a lot easier. Like I said, a lot of the reviews people were like, or install videos and stuff, people were taking like WD-40 and lubing it up with it. If you're underprepared, like I am, this worked really well. The hanger slid on in like 2 seconds. So I'm gonna pop the other one on, bolt everything back up, and first start up. Yeah, first start up. Excited. All right, guys, we got the hangers on, both of them, or both sides. Now we just gotta line everything up to where it looks real nice, everything's symmetrical, and bolt it together, and that should be it. Guys, we got her. Check this out. I'm pretty happy with it, I gotta be honest with you. For my first exhaust install, and for my first exhaust ever purchased, I'm pretty satisfied. I'll be honest, I'm not really sure what to do about the fitment. I know it's not bad by much. But it's bad, and I know it's bad. I'm gonna have some guys that I work with help me adjust it tomorrow. They have more experience with this sort of stuff. So I think with me and them, we'll be able to get it. But for now, it's freaking ecstatic about it. I'm happy. I'm gonna clean up our mess before I get in trouble from the apartment manager. And we'll give you a first start, maybe some revs, something like that. And then in the morning when I go to work, I'll get a cold start. So, you guys ready? Let's go. We'll set you up. Hold on, let me get the tripod. We'll set you up right here. We're about 5 feet away. So we do have 2 small exhaust leaks. They're not horrible, but they're there. I want to get the tools back out and try and tighten some stuff up and see if I can get that fixed. But yeah, dude, that's gnarly. That's awesome. I'm so happy with that. That was the cold start, and then this is just regular idle. Not that bad. Not that bad. I'm going to get that, see if I can get that exhaust leak fixed. We'll take it down the road and get some revs.